Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Hello. Okay. Hello, everybody. Hello, Joshua Kyotipae. Hello, Vero. Welcome back, everybody. I think we're just gonna finish drum for today, and then that's it for today. Cause I kind of have stuff to do. But yes, let's see where we stopped. Hello, Ke and Julie Bear. Welcome back to the live, everybody. There. Oops, let's crop it. If you want this PDF, you can check that out on andito na ako para sa mga basher. Hello, Ezra or Ezra? Yung Gen by 1 and 2 po ba ay iisa lang sa first sem ng grade 12? Magkahiwalay ata yun, for us at least. Engineering student, I took management engineering, but people don't call it engineering. Thank you for sharing the live, somebody. Guys, please like the live for now so we can get more people in and we can start earlier. Wishing luck kasi mag-entrance exam na sa Friday. What school? What school ka mag-entrance exam? Okay po ba mag-start sa tracker and pag natapos tracker, saka tapusin yung Maroon Blue Book? Yeah, you can go through anything. There's not a specific way. I think yung tracker ba is topics? Kasi yes, important to go through the topics. Kasi yun yung kailangan natin. Let's turn on the light today. Okay. Late ka na? I said 9, 8 or 9. Di ba pag late ang teacher, gusto nyo yun? Bakit pag sa totoong class, mas gusto pag late yung teacher? Pagdating nyo sa college, guys, pag late yung teacher, at least in Ateneo, pag late yung teacher ng 15 minutes, pwede ka na umalis after 15 minutes. It's called a free cut. Kasi, ikaw, pag na-late ka ng 15 minutes, okay lang. Basta 15 minutes yung time. So, either student or teacher, pag after 15 minutes, considered na atas absent. Parang ganun. Ikakram mo pa na oran, yes. If you guys are afraid of, you get pressured when you're on live, or if bago lang kayo dito, you can rewatch the lives. It's here on TikTok. On YouTube. So, they're usually 1 hour to 2 hours. Kamukha mo teacher namin. Does your teacher look good? Thank you, KV Mode. Stop the car. Hello, Rutherfordium. You're back. You're welcome, Vero. Are we ready? Guys, did you do your assignment? The assignment today was... Hala. Have we done this? Asan na tayo? Page 90. 90. Page 95. Page 95, we're doing 24 to 28. And then I'll see if I'm gonna continue from there. Bago lang, welcome to the live. Nope, I'm using Samsung Notes. Kasi if you get the Samsung tablet, may kasama na siyang Notes app. So, ganito i-share niya, guys. Yan ang Notes app. As you can see, my brother is in music and he borrows my laptop. So, pwede ka mag-download, tas madali siya mag-annotate. But yes, for me, I'm not an iPhone user, so can't really compare. Covered po ba yung vids lahat ng math sa UPCAT? Yes, we're trying to cover all the UPCAT. Where did you get the sheet? It's my brother's. He goes to music. Music ang course niya. So, he passed the UPCAT. He passed the UPCAT, but he chose to go to Benilde. And I think, yeah. Happy dinner? Happy dinner. It's 8 p.m. Oh, I want dessert. I have dessert over here. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're starting with number 24, so answer this while we're waiting. We usually go live 8 p.m. 8 p.m. or 8:30. Yes, kakastart lang natin. Hindi pa tayo nag-start, guys. So, usually 8 p.m. to 8:30 ang start natin. This is a chocolate tiramisu. And then, may almond siya sa loob. Let's bite it. There's an almond inside. Sabi ni Ren, sana ma-solve nyo yung problems ko. Guys, may sarili din ang problema, hindi ko nga ma-solve. Mas madali ang math kesa ang problema sa buhay. Sorry. Para sa ang course ng UPCAT, UPCAT is the UP College Admission Test. Lahat ng course sa UP, or if gusto mo mag-UP, kailangan mo mapasa yung UPCAT in general. So, welcome to the live if you guys are new here. Are we gonna get started? My program is Management Engineering. I studied in Ateneo. Yes. So, if gusto nyo ng katapat ng Management Engineering, ang pinili ko sa UP ay Industrial Engineering. So, very broad siya, guys. Pero kailangan magaling kayo sa math, kinda. Kasi, madaming math na ginagawa. Tapos, masaya siya. Pero, ayun nga, dapat medyo magaling kayo sa math. Or like, masaya kayo when doing math. Kasi ganun yung mga engineering subjects. Laging may calculus. And Kai, I forgot what that is. Yes, recorded review sessions are here on YouTube. They're usually 1 hour to 2 hours. So, you can check them out. And you can skip. Kasi, yung live naman natin, paulit-ulit lang minsan yung solution. Okay, are we ready? Usually start 8 to 10 p.m. usually ang live. Pero I might have to end earlier today. But I'll let you guys know. Half blood, half muggle, half, wizard, ganun. Name or brand ng kinakain. Like, it's from Korea eh. It's from Korea. Here. Ay, no brand ata siya. No brand siya. You know the no brand? It's chocolate with an almond inside. It's so good. It comes individually packed like that. Half-blooded. Sabi niya half-blooded. ML? Who is that? Somebody called me by my... Oh. wait lang. 10 daw ang ML. 10. How to be better at math? I'm kinda slow. We have to practice every day. So, I suggest you join our lives and then you have to ask questions. So, pag hindi mo naintindihan, you have to ask questions para maulit natin until you understand. Okay, we're gonna start, guys. We're gonna start. I'm gonna put up the poll. Have you answered this question? I'm gonna put up the poll. Poll. Hala. Sinagot nyo na ba? For now, only math, guys. But, I'm still thinking if I want to do others. Pero for now, math. Kasi math is very easy for me. Hindi na-submit 4 months since nag-error device ko. You, Devin James, you follow me and then wait for Nico to come. Nico is part of the UP Help Desk and he reviewed with us in the first season of our UPCAT review sessions. So, nasa UP na siya ngayon and I'll let you know if he can help you. Kasi he helps people with the Form 1. Answer away, guys. Is it A, B, C, or D? Batay sa larawan, ang dalawang bilog ay concentric. Oh, dalawang bilog to, guys, ah. Kung ang diameter ng maliit na bilog ay 12 daw to, ang diameter ng maliit na bilog, wala sa gitna, ay 12, at ang sukat Mula sa dulo ng diameter ng malaking bilog ay 2, ano ang sukat laki ng may shaded na bahagi? It's okay, Joshua. We're here to help you, Joshua. Concentric, guys, ibig sabihin, same yung center nila. So, this circle. Kung same yung center niya dito sa maliit na circle, lahat sila same yung center. Ibig sabihin, yes. So, help. Devin, hintayin mo lang si Nico. Minsan pumapasok siya dito. I mean, every day pumapasok siya sa live and then, hintayin mo siya. You can also, I forgot his IG. He has an IG. He helps people with the, no, we just started. We haven't answered. Answer the poll, guys. Letter C daw ang sagot nila. Let's see if letter C ang sagot. This one's kinda easy, guys. Nag-update po kayo sa YouTube. Yes, YouTube is after every live, ina-upload ko ang recording. Okay? Hindi ko nga alam kung, wait, we should learn how to put the chat. Kasi hindi nakikita yung chat sa YouTube eh. Maganda sana kung kita. Pero, I don't know how to do that. But yes. Bakit po C? Hindi pa, C ang sagot ng mga tao sa poll. So, people answer the poll over here. But, yeah. So, we're gonna answer it now. Are you ready? I'm gonna put puro letter E pinili. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the poll while we answer if you wanna change your answer. Right now, majority is letter C. So, let's answer this. Okay, guys. The reason why I turn on the poll is to see if we can answer it in 2 minutes. So, the poll has 2 minutes right now. You can guess. So, this is a circle, guys. 12 daw yung diameter ng maliit. Tapos yung malaki, 2 ang pagitan niya. So, if 2 to and 2 ito, what is the radius ng bigger circle? Radius ng bigger circle is, radius pala muna ng smaller. Smaller ay 6 kasi kalahati ng 12. 6 ito. And then, yung radius ng bigger ay, radius, Isa Lenor, is 8. Okay? Pero, yes, you're right. Diameter, the whole thing, is equal to 16. Bakit siya 16? Kasi 2 plus 12 plus 2. Okay? So, what do we do next? Hinahanap ang shaded area. So, how do you get only this part? Only this donut part. How do we get the donut part? All you have to do, I'm going fast by the way, just to reach 2 minutes. And then we're gonna repeat it. So, it's bigger circle minus smaller circle is equal to the shaded area. The shaded area. Big minus small. So, radius nito ay 8. Radius nito ay 6. Area of the circle is pi r squared. So, this is pi times 8 squared is 64 pi. And then, ito is 36 pi. And then, ima-minus lang natin yan, which will give us 4. Frick, I can't do it mentally. 8. 2 and T8, which is letter B. Hala, hindi siya C for Christ. Mali kayo, guys. Letter B ang sagot. Okay. What do you mean that's why you hate math? Hala, ba't C ang sagot nyo, guys? Hala kayo. Device, this is a Samsung tablet. It comes with a pen. Why do I'm not promoting it because I'm not sponsored, but yes. This is a Samsung one. I like it more because I have a Samsung phone. So, hala, may nagsabi po na si, hala, ba't yung kinopya, guys? Yan, ang tawag dyan. Mga Pinoy kasi, naghihilahan pababa. So, wag kayong maniwala sa mga fake news. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I just wanted to see if I could answer it in 2 minutes. And I can answer it quicker even. But yes. So we're gonna answer it slowly now, starting from the top, okay? Why is the question in Filipino? Because this is the UPCAT, guys. It's the University of the Philippines. So, they have to have questions in Filipino. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Mga crab daw sila. Wag nyong gayahin yung unang sasagot. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Listen to your own brain. If C pa rin ang instincts nyo, then don't listen to your own brain. Never mind. Pero, manghula pa rin kayo because you shouldn't skip a question in the UPCAT. Okay? How do we do it again? Ulitin ko lang. Batay sa larawan, may dalawang bilog na concentric. Ayusin ko, pangit kasi yung bilog nila. So, we draw a big one. Tapos, a small one. Gawin nating mas maliit. Ganyan. Tapos, ito daw ay 12. 12 yung radius nito. Tapos, yung pagitan daw nito ay 2. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, hinahanap ang shaded area, which is itong nagpapalibot sa bigger circle. Basically, it's like a wheel or a donut. And how do we get this, guys? Anyone having the same problem? What's your problem? Why is it small sa laptop? Really? Sabi nila, hindi naman daw. Anyway. So, what do we do next? We're looking for, bakit, gets nyo ba guys, yung big circle minus small circle? Gets nyo ba yung big circle minus small circle? Yes, say yes or no. And then, I can explain. Okay, gets daw. Bakit siya big minus small? Kasi yes. Kasi, tinatanggal natin yung butas, 'di ba? So, para magkaroon ng butas over here, need i-minus yung big minus small. Okay? Kaya, 'di ba, pretend this is if we get the area of, I'm trying to look for something that has a hole, but there's nothing here. We need a physical example. But yeah, pretend you're looking for something with a hole. The only way you're gonna get yung area nung nasa gitna dito is to first get the area nitong bigger one, tas ima-minus mo yung shaded area dito. Kasi pag shaded yung circle, 'di ba, big circle, buong yan shaded. Tapos ima-minus natin yung maliit na shaded. Okay? Yes, kagaya ng donut. Okay. And then from there, ang gagawin lang natin, area ng big minus area ng small. So first, we have to get pi r squared. Pi r squared ang area ng circle. Need nyo guys i-memorize ang areas, okay? Area formulas. Tapos, what if reverse? Pag reverse, what do you mean? Like yung loob yung shaded? Guys, okay, pag loob daw yung shaded, ano gagawin? Pag loob yung shaded, ano yung sagot dito? Memorize ko po lahat. Sana all. Kailangan po ba to sa tourism? Yes, it's 36 pi. Okay. My formula for that, the formula is pi r squared. Yes, small circle lang. Bakit small circle lang? Kasi, ang pagloob naman ang hinahanap. So, wala nang sense yung labas. Wala nang ima-minus. Kasi, alam na natin na 12 ito. So, 12 ito, kalahati niya, or the radius, is 6. Alam natin, A of the circle, area of circle, is pi r squared. So, kukunin lang natin basically itong kinuha natin dito, which is the smaller circle area. So, parang, trick question lang yun, kasi walang kwenta si bigger circle. Like, nandyan siya sa buhay mo, pero wala siyang dulot. So, bakit siya nandyan, diba? Going back. So, yes. Bigger circle minus smaller circle. We have to get the radius of both of them. And then, the radius of the smaller one is 6. Kasi, di-divide mo lang by 2. Tapos, radius of the bigger one is 6 plus 2. Gets ba natin yung 6 plus 2? Bakit siya 6 plus 2? Kasi kalahati nito, ito yung radius ng bigger circle. Kita nyo ba? Yan yung radius niya. Criminology ka po ba? Iban nga yan. Char. Kailangan ba yan sabihin? Ganyan. Anong grade ka na? I just graduated college, guys. Opo. Criminology. Kita? Anong kita? Gets ba? Gets ba natin, guys? GPA? I graduated magna cum laude from one of the hardest courses in Ateneo. So, I think that's very far from criminology, if that says anything. Focus on the middle. Thank you very much. Nahanap ko na, yes. Nawawala siya ng isang araw. Okay, guys. Gets na ba natin? Can we move on to the next question? Minus lang natin. 8 yung radius dito. 8 yung radius ng bigger. And the radius of the smaller one is 6. B answer next, yes. So, 64 minus 36 is equal to 28 pi. And the answer is 28 pi. Okay, we got 28 pi. Okay, can we get it to 25k likes, guys? 25k likes. AI will be, will be smarter than any humans. How'd you get so good in math? Guys, I don't know. I really liked math growing up, even as a kid, I feel. So, I think part of that is just, inborn. Pero, ayun, I'm trying to help you guys understand in a way na even the people who have a hard time with math can understand it. So, I'm trying to explain it in that easy way. Yes, Ateneo is actually a big campus, guys. Mas malaki siya sa UST and LaSalle. Pero sobrang laki ng UP. So, ayan. 25k na? Okay. Are we ready for the intuition test? Poll is up. Answer the poll over here. A larger cube has an edge of 8 cm. If the ratio of the surface areas of the two cubes is 1:2, what is the total surface area of the smaller cube? Halang hirap naman nun. Need natin mag-example or maghanap ng hala. Yes, cook na ako. You're not cooked. It's okay. We got this, guys. Letter E yan. Magtuturo ka pa rin next year. Yes, make sure to follow, guys. Pag nag-follow kayo ngayon, magtuturo ako next year. Okay. So, guys, naalala nyo ba ang surface area or hindi? Who remembers what surface area is? Pagdating sa surface area, guys, the way to explain it is kapag nilatag mo yung flat yung cube. Okay, yun yung surface area. So, for example, this is what a cube looks like pag nilatag mo siya. Like a cardboard box kapag nilatag. Ganun. So, yes. Yan, itsura ng cube. Yung itsura ng cube, 6 sides siya ng square, diba? 6 sides siya ng square. Okay, we're gonna bring out the cube for reference. Hahaha. My big cube. Oh my god. Something almost fell. Okay. We got the cube. This is the cube. The surface area of the cube is adding up the area of each side. Okay? The area of each side. So this is area of this square plus 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 this square. So this is, hala, ayaw na mag-focus. So, ang area, hindi nyo ata to need i-memorize kasi mahirap siya i-memorize. Hala, B na ang sagot ng mga tao. Pag yan, mali. Pag B, mali. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong magkopyahan, guys. Okay, is it B? Hindi ko pa sure, actually. Kaya natin sasagutan. Guys, I go into this blind, by the way. So, like, I don't know the answer key. I just know that I answer it right anyway. But yes, malabo daw kayo or ako. Wait lang. Okay, what do we do? So, the square root, the surface area of a square is equal to 6s squared. Bakit siya 6s squared, guys? Kasi, 6 times, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times the area of the square. Yung area ng square is side squared. Kaya siya 6 times the area of the square. So, dun ang galing yung 6s squared. 6 faces times the area of the square. So, anong next na gagawin natin? 1:2 daw yung area ng cube. What does that mean? What does that mean? 1:2 yung area ng dalawang surface area. What is the total surface area of the smaller cube? What I would do, guys, is surface area. Oh, given na pala to, larger cube has an edge of 8 cm. So, edge ng larger cube by 8 cm. What is the surface area of the larger cube, guys? Ano yung surface area ng larger cube? So, ang gagawin dyan is S is equal to 8 daw. So, that's equal to 6 times 8 squared. Okay? 6 times 8 squared is equal to, anong sagot? 64 times 6. 64 times 6 is equal to 300. 84. 384 sabi ng mga comment. Ayan, 384. And then, since ang ratio niya is 1:2, so you write it like this. 1:2 is to x is to 384. So, isipin nyo, paano babalik ang 2 to become 1? You divide it by 2. So, dito, ang gagawin din ay i-divide by 2. Okay? Divide by 2 both sides, which will give us 384 divided by 2 is equal to 192. 192 is letter B. Wow, you got it right! Ay, pwede na tayo mag-ano. Sound effects. Sound effects. Yes. Thanks sa ChatGPT. Hoy, wag kayo mag-ChatGPT, guys. Math yan. But siya i-divide by 2. Kasi ang ratio, guys, ratio of the cube, surface area of the cube is 1:2. So, given yung 1:2, we made the ratio na 1:2 is to x is to 384. 1:2 is to x is to 384. The way you solve ratio and proportion questions, ang bilis, it's okay, you can ask me questions. We repeat it if you ask specific questions. The thing about your questions, guys, is kailangan nyo sabihin, like, kung saan kayo nagkulang. Char. Kung saan kayo, ano yun? Kung saan kayo naguluhan. Like, you say, is it here? Like, ba't naging 8? Ganon. Para specific yung question. You're welcome, Nika. So, 1:2 is to x is to 384. The way you solve ratio or proportion is kapag ito given na itong dalawa, diba? Kung saan may kapares, okay, magpa-practice tayo, guys. Kung saan nagkapares, doon, like, notice kung ano yung nag-change. From 1:2, i-divide mo lang to get 1. And then dito, so ang gagawin mo lang dito is di-divide mo lang by 2. Gets ba yan? Why need to divide? Kasi dito nag-divide tayo. Okay. So, etong dalawa, how to explain this? These two are of the same kind. And then, etong dalawa are of the same kind. So, kapag etong una ang hinahanap, need na dito ka mag-base. Anong ginawa sa 2? Wait lang. Anong ginawa sa 2 para maging 1 siya? Yun yung itatanong mo in your brain. What? You can use means and extremes. It's longer kasi. Okay. The way people teach math the way they teach math in school, or like when you were in elementary, ratio and proportion, what you're gonna do, okay, I guess so. Ratio and proportion, multiply the outsides, so that's 384 times 1, and that should be equal to the insides, is equal to 2x. So, ganun siya. 384 is equal to 2x, divide both sides by 2. The thing about this one is, mahirap kasi siya. I mean, matagal siya minsan if hindi 1:2 yung, yung ratio. Gets? Okay. Okay, more. I'll give you an example of ratio and proportion, guys. Let's do ratio and proportion. Wait. 3:21 is to 6 is to x. Okay, what's x, guys? We're looking for x. Could you see the whole question? This is not related anymore, but yes. 3:21 is to 6 is to x. Is it 42? Yes, it's 42. Okay? Okay, it's 42. Why is it 42, guys? Kasi, remember, hinahanap si x dito. So, pa left to right tayo. Left to right, hinahanap. Ano yung ginawa sa left to right dito? 3:21, minultiply lang siya by 7, di ba? Nagmultiply tayo, 3 times 7, para makuha ang 21. So, dito, do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Times 7, times 7. 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Okay? Amazing. The golden rule. But there are many other ways to solve this. Another ratio and proportion way, yung ginagawa ng iba is, gagawin mong 3/21 is equal to 6/x. Tapos, solve for x. Pero ito, matagal siya for me, kaya hindi ko to ginagawa. Pero yung iba kong friends na magaling sa math, masanay sila sa gantong gawain. Tapos yung another way to solve it is, again, this times this is equal to this times this. So, magiging 3x is equal to 21 times 6. Pero guys, mahaba yan kasi mag-multiply ka pa ng 21 times 6. And I'm telling you, pagdating sa UPCAT, wala kayong time to do all that. Yung ginawa ko lang dito, paano naging 21 si 3? Multiply mo lang by 7 kasi we know na 7 is equal, 3 times 7 is 21. So, dito, mag-multiply ka lang din. Ganun siya. Ito matagal, ito matagal. In the UPCAT, nagmamadali tayo, okay? So, do the fastest thing you can do. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, by the way, make sure to follow. We try to go live every night. Like today, I wasn't planning to go live, but we are here now. So, yes. You're late. It's okay, Pingu. You came in at 9. Just rewatch the live, guys. I upload it at the night of after the ano. Teacher, I'm not a teacher, guys. I just graduated. Next question. Are we ready for the next question? Thank you for following, everybody. Pagpatingin nga po ulit ng solution. Okay. Remove ko na to, guys, ha. Hindi siya related kasi sa question. Okay. So, going back, this is the question. 1:2 is to... ito yung question. A larger cube has an edge of 8 cm. So, 8 cm yung edge niya. If the ratio of the surface areas of the two cubes is 1:2, what's the surface area of the smaller cube? Ano po yung topic? This is geometry. Basic geom ang topic natin for right now. Tapos, maybe tomorrow na yung analytic geom natin. So, today, we're doing basic geom. And then, tomorrow, analytic. Nag-review center, I did, but again, it wasn't that, even my brother said it wasn't that helpful. It depends on, I guess, sa review center. Pero, sobrang kaya ng self-study, guys. Need nyo lang ng disiplina. Tsaka, I feel like that's propaganda you shouldn't fall for. YouTube ka po nagpo-post. Yes, over here, lahat ng recordings nandito. So, if gusto nyo i-binge watch, guys, you have 30 days left till the UPCAT. 31 or 32 days. Depende kung alin yung sched nyo. Pero August 2 na yon. So, kung language prof, we did it once. But I might do it again soon. Kasi I'm more likely to do language proficiency than science. So, let's see about that. UP has the same exam. A lot of schools have around the same exam. Yung UP and Ateneo, yun daw yung dalawang pinakamahirap. Pero yung iba like UST and ano yung isa? DLSU, medyo mas madali daw. Like madaming pumapasa sa DLSU compared to like compared to UP. Abstract reasoning, meron guys. If you're new here, lahat ng reviewers ay free. Nandito sila sa Instagram. Kita nyo ba yan, yung Instagram? Go lang kayo sa highlight, tapos may free reviewers doon. Those are not my links. Those are the links I used to review when I applied for the UPCAT also. Okay? Bakit po need i-divide by 2? Kasi we're looking for the ratio and proportion. 1:2 siya. 1:2 siya dito. So, how do you go from 2 to 1? You divide it by 2. So, in the same way, you divide it by 2 here to get x. Okay? Kaya, 384 divided by 2 will give you 192. Okay? Okay. Here's a question. Saan daw pwede mag-apply sa college? Apply to all the schools that you can, guys. There's no harm in applying. Tsaka, if mauna kayo sa mga school, like, if mauna yung test sa ibang school, at least may training na kayo for the UPCAT. Ganun. Hello, Jude. Okay, are we ready, guys, to move on? 384. How did we get 384? The formula of surface area is 6 sides squared. Sinabi dito na ang side ay 8 cm, kaya ang side ay 8. 6 times 8 squared is 6 times 64 squared. 6 times 64, which is equal to 384. Do you hear that? Next na daw. Paano siya makuha? Iba na yan, be. ESP? Less than 1K na lang. Okay lang yan. The people, if you're still here, that's what matters, right? If people are leaving, then that means you have less competition for the UPCAT. That's how I see it. Also, we're gonna leave early because we're just gonna finish 26, 27, 28. Is that okay with you guys? And then, we're gonna continue tomorrow kasi analytic geom na yung topic. So, that's a whole new lesson. Okay? That's a whole new lesson. So, but if these are easy, let's see. It's already 9 na kasi, kaya tulog na sila. Interesting. Do you guys have school? Early out. Schedule tomorrow? I'm thinking kasi morning. What do you think about morning, guys? What do you think about like 9 a.m.? Oh, you have school. Mahirap kasi feel ko may pasok nga yung mga tao. No morning. Okay. Morning? I'll make a poll sa sa IG channel. Okay. You have class? Okay. Ready? Poll. We're making a poll. What is the surface area of the rectangular prism shown below? Okay, surface area ulit ang tanong, guys. Surface area ulit. So, how do you solve this without a formula? Very basic. Remember what I taught you. Ang ibig sabihin ng surface area is ano yung area ng lahat ng sides na kita mo. Para siyang perimeter na area. Does that make sense? So, lahat, i-add up mo lahat ng sides. Lahat ng sides. Gets? So, what are we gonna do here? Are you guys voting? 14 votes pa lang. Ayaw nyo ba bumoto? Hulaan nyo lang, guys. Ang dami natin. Hulaan nyo dito. The poll is over here. I think it's over here. The poll is over here. Paturo mag-divide. Okay. Wait lang, answer pa. Okay, sumagot lang kayo, guys. Dapat sagutan niyo kasi bago tayo mag-live para i-check nyo na lang. Upcoming BSCE, nalipat lang po ako sa STEM and napilitan lang. Ba't ka napilitan sa course mo? Guys, even if mag-STEM kayo, di ba STEM kayo ngayon? If business talaga gusto nyo, or arts, or communication, or research, kahit hindi siya STEM related, or kahit hindi siya related sa strand mo, I say, you get the course you want. Kasi pagdating sa college, yun na yung the rest of your life. Like, everything, your work, and then, your job is gonna be related to that work. And what if you don't like it? Diba? So, ako, STEM ako, pero, I mean, kinda STEM related naman, pero hindi siya super STEM related yung course ko. 200 daw. Okay, tapos na ba ang poll? Hala, okay, madami nang bumoto. A daw ang D. Letter D ang sagot na madami. Pero madami ding letter A. So, are you solving, guys? Are you solving right now? Ako lang ba 280? Ang layo ng 280. Let's see. Baka tama ka pala. How do we do this? Okay, remember, how do we solve for dito sa taas? Okay, remember, guys. How do you solve for this cube over here? Ang ginawa natin, iisipin mo ang bawat side niya. Yung side na ito, yung side na ito, yung side na ito, and then 6 sides siya, diba? So, need mo i-add up ang bawat side. Now, when we look at this one, need mo i-add up ang bawat side, pero hindi siya equal, diba? Hindi siya equal, guys. Ito, hindi siya equal. So, anong gagawin natin? As you can see, ilalatag natin siya. Pagdating sa surface area, need mo siya ilatag. Yung box na yan, i-flatten mo. You know how... Okay, I'm gonna stop making. So, for example, etong taas, and then etong baba, same yan, diba? Same yan ng area, yes or no? So, thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Same yan ng area. So, ang area niyan ay 5 times 4. So, paano natin nakuha yung area niya? That's just length times width. Kasi rectangle yan. Length times width of this area is 5 times 4. So, that's 2 times 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Kita nyo pa ba? Times 2. So, 40 yung dalawang yan. 40 yan. Next, let's look at this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal yung dalawang side na yan. Yung pa-vertical na ganito. That is 4 times 10. So, that's dalawang 4 times 10 is equal to 40 times 2 is equal to 80. 80. And lastly, we get this front one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito naman yung tinitingnan natin. Yung part ng box na paganto. So, tapos na tayo sa dalawa. This one is, what is the ratio? Ratio. This is 2 times, what is the, it's 5 times 10. Okay? 5 times 10 over here. So, that's 5 times 10 is equal to 2 times 50, which is 100. And when you add all this up, guys, what will this give you? 40 plus 80 plus 100 is equal to 220. Hala kayo. Tama ba kayo? 58 ang nakatamang sagot. Amazing. 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 Pero, 46 ang nag-letter A. Sino yung ginaya nyo dyan? Alam kong nanggaya lang kayo ng sagot. What does that sound like? I can't hear it. Hula lang, Nay. Letter C ba ang sagot? Ay, letter D. Sasabihin ko sana C for Christ. Okay, okay. Ready? Ready? Do you get it, guys? Surface area is actually very simple. Like, ang gagawin mo lang, i-add mo up mo lang ang bawat side. These sides, this side, this side. Pati pag triangle, guys, ganun lang siya. For example, yung triangle, usually kasi square yung bottom niyan. Yung triangle, 4 na triangle siyang ganun. Dalawang ganto. Ay, meron ako. I have a triangle. I'll show you guys. So, pagdating naman sa triangle surface area, triangular prism yung tawag doon. Triangular prism. Wala, nawawala yung triangle ko, guys. This is my Rubik's cubes. But wait, I need to look for the triangle one. Never mind. But a triangle looks like this, and then this, and then a square at the under. Okay? Pyramid. Pyramid pala. Ano ba tawag ko? Triangle. Yeah, pyramid yung tawag. Tapos, yung surface area nun ay yung square sa ilalim times the triangles up here. Okay? Basta ganun siya. Why am I 2? Bakit 2? Kasi dalawa yung side. So, basically, same lang yan as... Okay, uulitin ba natin? Bakit same? What if 3 lang ang base? What do you mean? 2? Okay, we're gonna repeat it, guys. Hello to the 1.6k people. Welcome back to the live. So, yes, we're gonna do this again. Basically, the question is, what is the surface area? So, hinahanap ang surface area, which is the same thing as looking for yung labas. When you're wrapping a present, this is the present. When you're wrapping the present, how much paper na flat ang kailangan mong gamitin para saktong mabalot yung box? Ayun yung surface area. Kailangan yung surface, mabalot niya ng sakto yung box na yun. So, how do we answer that? The way we answer this is, one by one natin siyang isa-solve. The first thing we got was this, the orange one. Wait, i-remove ko lang, guys. As you can see dito, tatlo yung given na 5, 4, and 10. So, alam natin yung length, width, and height. Okay? Tapos, actually, may formula to, which is 2 times length times width, ganun. Pero mahirap siya, guys. So, what we do na lang is, etong taas, what do we know about this taas and this baba? We know, pagdating sa box, equal yung dalawang magkatapat na face. Pag equal yung dalawang magkatapat na face, ibig sabihin, ito times 2 na lang natin siya. So, we just have to get the area. Ano yung area nito, guys? Area nito, as you can see, is 5 times 4. Length times width. Yes, parallel sila. Length times width is equal to 5 times 4 over here. Bakit may times 2? Kasi dalawa sila. This on top and this sa ilalim. If you don't wanna times 2, pwede mo sabihin 20 plus 20 lang siya. So, let's put it here. This is 20 plus 20. So, i-add pa natin yung ibang part. Okay? I-add natin yung ibang part. Next, we have color pink, 4 and 10. So, what we did next is this one. Etong dalawang gilid. Only focus on the pink part that I'm looking at. So, etong dalawang gilid. May box ba ako? Yes. So this is the box. We're looking at this side and this side. This is 4 and this is 10. 4 times 10 is 40. 40, kaya siya times 2 kasi dalawa yung sides niya, okay? Dalawa yung sides niya times 2 is equal to 80. Okay? And lastly, we have to get this side. So we did this. First, we did this. Second, we did this sides. And lastly, etong side naman ang need. This magkabilaan side. Okay? And then, so, what do? Green is this part. Ito ang green. Which is 5 times 10. 5. 5 yung ilalim, as you can see here. 5. Tapos 10 yung pahaba. 10 yung height niya. 5 times 10 is 50 times 2, kasi dalawa sila, is equal to 100. And then all you have to do is add that up. Hala! Nawala. 90. All you have to do is add it up. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We go live every night at 8 p.m. usually. So yes. Is that good enough? Is that good enough? Do you have more questions? Anybody? Any more questions or violent reactions? Or, I'm so bad at math, but when I started watching you, I improved a lot. Thank you, Shin. That's the way math is supposed to be, guys. It shouldn't be hard. I don't know why math teachers are like so proud sila na madaming bumabagsak ganun. Math should be easy because math is easy. Why po ulit 5 yung sa 5 times 10? Ito siya, 5. Pagdating sa bawat side, wag mong isipin tong 4. Dito lang siya, this times this. On its own, it's just a rectangle. Okay? Kaya siya 5 times 4. Yung total na 220 adding, yes. We add up 40. 40 plus 80 plus 100 is equal to 220. Time na 9. Okay, malapit na guys. Dalawang tanong na lang. Volume ba sinolve mo? Surface area po. Pag volume guys, anong sagot sa volume nito? Kaya ata kayo nagkamali. Anong sagot sa volume guys? What's the volume of this box? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Rian, it's 200. 200, bakit siya 200? Pag volume kasi, hinahanap yung laman. Laman ng box. Yung buong sakop on the inside. Pagdating sa Rubik's Cube, guys, pagdating sa volume nito, hinahanap kung ilang maliit na square ang meron to. Ilang gantong block ang meron sa loob, pati sa loob. Okay? So, that's what a volume is. Pagdating naman sa surface area, binibilang lang kung ilang faces ang makikita mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ba't ganun ako magbilang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, okay? So, 9 ang area ng isang square. Pag binilang mo yan lahat, that's 6 times 9, kaya 54 ang surface area ng cube na to. 54 yung surface area ng cube. Yung volume ng cube, ano yung volume ng cube na to, guys? Ilan yung cube na meron? Ilang maliit na cube ang meron? Can somebody tell me? If this is a Rubik's Cube and 3 units ang isang side, 3 units. Yes, CYPPIU, it's 27. Bakit siya 27? Kasi, ang bawat cube na ito ay isang unit. Okay? So, look at this Rubik's Cube. 3 units ang isang side. Look at the down there on the solution. Tapos, the cube is area ba? Volume of a cube is equal to side cube. So, that's just 3 cube, which is equal to 27. Bakit siya 27? Kasi, bibilangin mo lang, ilang cube na ganito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 times plus 9 plus 9. Bawat layer may 9 na pieces, kaya siya 27. Okay? Gets? Yung surface area naman, bibilangin mo kung ilang face, ilang square ang meron. Yan siya. Paano po dun sa rectangle? Sa rectangle naman, pag volume, ang hinahanap ay length times width times height. Yun yung volume. Pero pagdating sa surface area, which is yung ginawa natin, i-add up mo yung 2 times length times width, 2 plus 2 times width times height, plus 2 times length times height. So that's basically the formula. Yun yung ginawa natin, guys. And the thing is, same lang ang formula actually ng cube pagdating, same lang ang formula ng cube and rectangle. Because a cube is a rectangle. Did you know that? Yes, a square is a rectangle. Pwede patasa. Oy, magtatasa tayo ng UPCAT ng pencil pagdating the day before the exam, okay? We're gonna go live and then hindi na tayo magtuturo the day before. Like, magtatasa na lang ako. Online tasa ng pencil. Okay, are we ready to move on? Are we ready to move on? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is this geom? Yes, this is basic geometry. Basic geom ang lesson for today. Nakatulog ka, Nar. You can rewatch the live, guys. If you guys are new here, by the way, make sure to follow. We're gonna try to go live every day kasi malapit ng UPCAT. You have 1 month left to study. And if you aren't studying yet, then you can't be sad when you fail the UPCAT because that's just on you. The thing is, the UPCAT is doable, guys, as long as nag-aaral kayo every day. How to rewatch the live? It's on YouTube. Go to this YouTube. Please subscribe, guys. Go to my YouTube. You can rewatch the live. Skip nyo pag naintindihan nyo na yung bawat question. Okay? Pada yun. How do you remember the formula spot? I don't know. For me, it's because I study every day. I mean, I'm studying with you guys. So, if you answer it every day, mamememorize nyo siya. Ganun siya, guys. Okay, next question. Next question. Dinner na po. Dalawa na lang, guys. 2 questions left and then we can leave. Mag-live ka after UPCAT. May entrance exam sa December. I-rewatch mo na lang, B. Tignan natin. Hello. Don't scare me, guys. Time na daw. Next question, guys. I'm putting up the poll. Hulaan nyo na ang sagot. Hulaan nyo over here. Welcome. Answer in the poll. To the people new here, we start the poll even though you haven't answered. But if you answered this already, go ahead and click your answer. But sometimes if you don't know the answer, just guess. Because in the UPCAT, it's better to guess than leave blank. Hello, Alpha. Thank you for the gift. 6:05? 6:05 daw. Pero gagayahin nyo ba siya? Is it letter C? C for Christ ang ginagawa ng mga tao. Hala, ba't ang daming votes sa letter E? Sagutan nyo yan, guys. What is the length of BC? Ito daw si BC. EF. We're looking for BC. BC is this part over here. Is it 6:05? Ang random naman ng 6:05. Okay, game na ate. Solution. Ready? Tapos na ba ang poll? Okay, we're gonna start answering it. Letter C so far ang sagot ng mga tao. Feel ko kung hulaan ko, feel ko masyadong malaki yung letter B. Hindi ba siya masyadong malaki? Feel ko length kasi ang hinahanap. Ang random, what? Wait, let's answer it first. I don't know why it's so big. Okay, so, what is the length of BC? MC, or is equal to F. This is called similar triangles. So, need nyo i-match kung alin yung matched, okay? So, A is equal to D. A is equal to D. Over here. Tapos, what else do we know? So, obviously, E is equal to this. AB is to DE is to 5 is to 11. EF is equal to 12. 12 kaya to? We don't know what this is. I think yun yung problema. Kailangan kasi natin alamin kung alin yung EF. I think, let's make this 12 and then let's see what will happen. Pag hindi siya 12, tignan na lang natin. Feel ko either 2 or 12 siya. Or 22. Possible din na 22. Kaso may sense ba yun? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, guys, ganyan din kami. So, manghuhula lang muna tayo. Ang gagawin natin, pagdating dito, as you can see, similar triangles sila. Kaso, nakabaligtad tong isa. Kita nyo ba? You have to tilt your head. So, what you would do is you have to make it equal, right? This is, so, babaligtarin lang natin in our heads. This is A. Lagay natin si A sa taas. Kasi equal daw si D and A. Dahil equal ang D and A, ilagay din natin si A sa taas. Tapos C goes here, and B goes here. Now, alam natin, ang hinahanap natin ay BC. BC ang hinahanap natin. and given si EF. So, equal dapat or proportional dapat si EF and si BC. So, AB, asan si AB? AB is proportional 5 daw to, and then 11 daw to. Gets nyo ba so far? 5 and 11. 5 daw to, 11 daw yung proportion nito. Feel ko hindi siya 22. Okay, try lang natin. Proportion lang yan, guys, ah. Ibig sabihin, 5 is to 11 din yung proportion ng BC over here and ng EF. Okay? So, let's try. 5 is to 11 is to X is to 12. Hindi siya 12 ata, guys. Feel ko 22. Try natin 22. Hindi pa rin eh. Or 102. Okay, try muna natin isolve. Let's use the mean and extremes na solution. So, this will be 11 times x. Imumultiply mo yung loob. 11x is equal to multiply nung labas. Feel ko hindi siya 22. Multiply ng labas will give us 22 times 5 is 110. So, x is equal to 10 kung ganun. Ang pangit nung sagot nila. Ang layo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung EF, guys. So, hindi natin masosolve. Wala si EF, natakpan nung triangle. Cherry Pie Picache. Regine Velasquez yung E, guys. Gets ko? Hindi ko din gets, guys. 42 ba? Try natin 42. 42 daw yung labas. If 42 to, nanghuhula tayo ng given. If 42 to, guys, this will be, what's 42 times 5? That will be 210. So, i-divide mo both sides by 11. Feel ko hindi yun. 132. 132 times 5. Guys, wala tayong 1112. Ba't tayo nang hula ng given? Baka nga 102. 102 daw. 102. Dapat divisible siya by 11 eh. Kasi lahat ng to divisible by 11. Hindi natin siya makukuha, guys. Wala siyang given. So, possible lahat yan. Depende kung alin yung EF. Okay, gets nyo ba yung ginawa? Magbibigay ako ng ibang example na lang. Okay, ako ang decision. We're removing this. I'll make this 2 is to 4. 2 is to 7. I am the batas. Okay, 2 is to 7. Tapos, given na EF is equal to 32. Oh, ayan. EF is equal to ayoko ng 32. Dalian muna natin. Thank you for following. EF is equal to 35. Okay, how do we solve this, guys? Given, okay, binaligtad na natin siya. So, wag nyo na to tignan. Itong dalawa yung titignan natin. This is the equal side. Ito yung equal side. So, itong dalawa ang proportionate. Given na 35 CEF dito, 35, hinahanap daw natin si BC. So, hinahanap si BC. Ang gagawin natin dyan, ratio and proportion. 2 is to 7 is to x is to 35. Anong gagawin dyan, guys? What you're gonna do, 10? Anong 10? Oh, 10 yung sagot? Let's see. What do we do here? Try to do this. 7x, multiply the loob, and then multiply the labas. 35 times 2 is equal to 70. Divide both sides by 7 para maiwan si x. So, x is equal to 10. Okay? X is equal to 10. Gumawa ng sariling given kasi natatakpan siya. Why are you under here? Why? Tulog time. One more, guys. Last na. Promise, last na. Quadratic equation. I think, tapos na ba tayo? Tapos na tayo sa algebra, guys. Check out all the other videos. We've done 16 lives so far. So, this month, if matutuloy yung daily lives. So, 30 lives tayo this month. Tignan natin kung matutuloy. Syempre, hindi naman everyday. But yes, make sure to follow. We're gonna try to go live every day. What reviewer is this? This is the PTS reviewer. It's for free. Go check out my Instagram. We give out free reviewers here because education should be free, guys. We believe in quality, accessible education in this community. Do you do science? Not yet. Guys, stop asking about science. I came from a science high school, but I haven't studied science since first year. Yes, let's stick to what we're good at. Sure. But we do have science reviewers. If you want to check them out, go to my Instagram again. Make sure to follow, please, guys. Also, Instagram. Tapos, may Instagram channel tayo. Dun natin in-upload yung mga, like, when we go live and stuff like that. So, yes, we have Instagram, but I'm scared of it. We have Instagram. We have science, but I'm scared. Like, look, guys, the questions are so hard. A compound may be separated into its elements by decomposition. Is that correct? Is it A? Like, I used to know, like, I know a bit of it. Like, it's in the back of my head. But because I haven't practiced it. Is it A? Filtration. Compound siya, guys, eh. A compound. Element, diba? Element is like oxygen, hydrogen. A compound is H2O. Like that. So, I feel like it's not B. Letter A. Or ginagaya niya lang yung hula ko. Char. No, mahirap kasi ang science kasi ako, kahit like medyo alam ko, like 'di ba nahulaan ko ang A, hindi tayo sigurado kasi parang 'di ba hindi din siya sigurado sa iyo. So, ba't ka magsistick kung saan hindi sigurado? Like, choose the sure one. You know what I'm saying? That's why we're sticking to math for now. But guys, I will try science if I get bored of the math, okay? May kamukha daw akong Korean. Wala pang 10 p.m. Last number na tayo, guys. Okay. Physics. Wait, after finding X, ano na po next, Huhu? Paano malalaman yung line? Yun na yung X, guys. The line is the X. The line is the X here. So sorry for not clarifying. But yung line na yun mismo yung X. Kasi, pag similar triangle sila, proportionate sila. So, eto na yung ratio and proportion nila. When you look for a question like this, eto na yung ratio nila. So, ayan yung ratio. Itatapat nyo lang sila. Hahanapin mo lang yung X. And yung X na yun is already the line. Trigonometry. Malapit na yung trigo, guys. Ito yung trigo. Ay, analytic geom pa tayo. Ito yung analytic geom, yung next. Mahirap din yun actually. And kailangan natin yung analytic geom first. Before trigo. Pero trigo na yung next. How did you get 605? Walang ang given. What the hell? But yes, one more question, guys. Tapos bukas and the next few days, analytic geom na tayo. Yung logarithms is next. Also after, kasama ata siya ng trigo, yung logarithms. Okay? Just make sure to follow. We'll continue tomorrow, guys. Okay? I went to the annotated folder and went to page 27, pero iba nagpakita. We're not on page 27. We're on page 90 plus. 96 na tayo. 96. Page 96 tayo. What the hell? Okay. Are we done? Are we ready? Last question, guys. Do you want to put up a poll? Starting up the poll, make sure to guess. And while you're guessing, okay, I'm gonna explain why it's better to guess than leave it blank. Pagdating, Nico is here? Is Nico there? Nico is not here, guys. Okay. What was I gonna say? Oh, A daw ang sagot ng iba. Is it A, B, or C, or D? How do we do it? Okay. So, pagdating sa UPCAT, it's right minus 0.25 wrong. So, alam niyo naman yung right minus wrong, diba? Usually, right minus wrong is right minus 1 point yung bawat mali mo. Pero pagdating sa UPCAT, 0.25 lang yung bawat mali. So, when it comes to this, okay lang magkamali kasi maliit lang yung chance na magkamali ka. I mean, even though possible ka na magkamali, every time na yung hula mo is tama, plus 1 point yun, diba? Plus 1 point yung bawat hula mo na tama. Pero if mali yung hula mo, minus 0.25 lang. So, pagdating sa gambling, you're gambling your UP grade here. If you have 4 choices, A, B, C, D. 25% of the time, you're gonna get it right. Kasi A, B, C, or D lang ang choice mo. You're gonna get +1 every 25 times. Tapos, 75% of the time, you get minus this. And then, if you get the expected value, or yung average niyan, mas maganda pa rin daw, nahulaan mo na lang. Kasi if you leave it blank, 0, hala, Nico, kanina ka pa nila hinahanap. Nico is back, guys. If you don't know Nico, he was part of the batch 1 of Julia's Review Center. And now, he's in UP going into his 2nd year soon. So, kaka first year niya lang. Ay, tapos na yung 2nd sem niya. Yes. So, Nico's a bit busy, but you can follow him and ask him questions about UP also. So, if may question kayo sa Form 1, yung tao kanina, nandyan pa ba siya? There was somebody na may question siya sa Form 1, hindi daw nagka-error daw. So, baka hindi daw siya makatake ng UPCAT. But, I don't know. Okay, letter A ang sagot ng mga tao. Hala, Nico! Bakit may tawagan na kayo? Char. Dear. Na org work? Nico, wag ka mag-BS org. Masama yan. Char. Okay, number 28, guys. We're gonna answer it together. If you wanna guess, I'm gonna restart the poll, okay? While I answer, pwede nyo palitan ang sagot. The length of the sides of XYZ, so, ito yung XYZ, yung maliit, are 74, 50, and 48. The length of the smallest side of XAB is 216. What is the length of the longest side? Ooh, this one's fun. So, we're gonna do 74 is to 50 is to 48 is to blank times the smallest side is 216. Okay? Smallest side is 216. Kaya ang gagawin natin is alin yung smallest side dito? Smallest ay 48. So, i-compare natin yung 48 sa 216. Okay? Gets ba natin? 48, i-compare sa 216. Gets so far ang ginawa natin? Yes, okay. Gets so far. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, yung tanong says, what is the length of the longest side? So, proportionate, pagdating kasi sa similar triangles, everything is about proportion. Okay? So, wait, guys. I think very obvious ang sagot. Is it just me? Like, I don't even have to solve this. Is it just me? Actually, nandito ba ang sagot? Tignan muna natin. I-solve muna natin. Tapos i-explain ko bakit siya. Kasi smallest side daw 216, di dapat ito lang yung pwede. Diba? Kasi everything else is small. Or ito ba? Pwede din to. B or C. Pero sobrang lapit naman ito. So, I think it has to be B, right? Oh, or wala dito ang sagot. Okay, solve muna natin, guys. So, ang gagawin natin, since biggest side ang hinahanap, pwede naman natin i-disregard si 50. Hindi natin siya kailangan kasi gitna lang siya. So, let's just look at the bigger ones. This is, write it again. 48 is to 74 is to x is to 216 is to x. Is to x. Okay. What do we do next? Hala, ang laki naman ng number. Okay, whatever. Let's try the mean and extreme again. Multiply itong dalawa. 74 times 216 is equal to 48x. Gets natin so far? Yung labas is equal to the loob. Multiply ng labas or extremes is equal to the multiply ng loob. Why cancel 50? Kasi we're looking at the length of the smallest side and the length of the longest side. XAB pala, guys. Tama ba? Tama. Okay. Let's see what happens next, guys. How do we divide? So, pagdating sa big numbers like this, I wouldn't go straight to multiplying kasi sobrang laki nito. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan i-multiply. So, una kong gagawin, try natin mag-divide. I can see that this one, is this divisible by 4 or not? This, guys, is divisible by 4. Yes or no? How do you know if something is divisible by 4? Divisible siya by 4 kasi its last two digits are divisible by 4. 16 is divisible by 4, so i-divide na natin siya. Divide natin by 4 pareho. This will give us 54, right? 54? 54 times 74, isulat mo lang ulit. Hindi mo siya need i-multiply agad. Is equal to, divide natin by 8 Divide by 8. Ay, 4 pala. 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 both sides. So, this will become 8 times x. 8x. Okay? Huh? 12 pala. 12. Joke lang yan. 12. Next, what do we do next, guys? Kasi, in the UPCAT, you can't just multiply because it will be too big and it will be hard. Big and hard. We don't want that. So, what we're gonna do is divide again. Magde-divide tayo by, pwede to divisible by 3. Am I right? This is divisible by, 6. Sige, 6. Sorry. Divide by 6. Divide by 6 both sides. That will give us, this will be 74 times 9 is equal to 2x. Now, we can divide 2 by both sides. Divide natin both sides by 2. This will become 37 times 9 is equal to x, right? Tinanggal na natin yung 2, so that's 37 times 9 is equal to x. Divide by 2. So, yan yung ginawa natin, guys. Divide by 4, divide by 6, divide by 2. This is easier than multiplying the whole thing first and then dividing by 48. Mahirap yun. So, what do we do next? 37 times 9. Do you guys know how to multiply something by 9? When a big number is multiplied by 9, kunyari 37 times 9, same lang yan as multiplying by 10 and then minus the original number. Hala, minus the original number. So, what does this mean? When you, for example, multiply by 10, so 370, magiging 370 siya, and then i-minus mo lang yung 37. This is an easier way. I don't know if this is easier for you, but it's easier for me. So, this will become 10, so that's 3. This will become 6, that's 3, and this will become 3. Wow, it actually is letter B. So, we get that the answer is letter B. We got it! That's like an angel number or something. Am I right? But yes, guys, you can use that technique. Kasi for me, matagal yung pag multiply sa 9. So, can somebody tell me what's like 48 times 9? What's 48 times 9? I don't know which is faster for you. We got it. 48 times 9. What you're gonna do is add a 0 to the end. Diba 48? Lagyan mo ng 0 kasi times 10 is 480 minus 48. Ganyan siya. 480 minus 48, carry 1. This will give you 432. Wow! Is that easier or harder? Can you tell me? Because for me, pag multiply by 9, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Calcu? You can't calcu, guys. Pagdating sa UPCAT, bawal kayo mag-calcu. Yes. And then, gumagana din yan, guys, kahit 3-digit number. Pag 3-digit number, try natin. Thank you for the confetti, Alpha. 124 times 9. Ang gagawin mo, add a 0 again. 124, 0, minus 124. Ganyan siya, guys. 124, 0, minus 124 is equal to, carry ulit, 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1, 1. So, the answer is 1126 ba? 1116. 1116. So, yes. Joke po. It's okay. You got it wrong. But yes, very easy when multiplying by 9. Gatekeeping? Why are you gonna gatekeep the method? Very amazing, right? Kesa i-multiply mo isa-isa. Share different techniques. Yeah, I'll try, but minsan naalala ko lang siya pag may nakita tayo. But yes, I'll try to compile them. Actually, nahihirapan akong kasi minsan naalala ko lang siya. Like, my brain will just pick it up sometimes. How about 11? We did it 11, diba? Remember, guys, for 11, how do you multiply 2-digit numbers by 11? For example, 35 times 11. Ang gagawin mo is you buka and pasok. Move 3 on this side and 5 on this side. Tapos, 3 plus 5 will give you 8. So, 35 times 11 is 385. 385. Buka and pasok. Okay? Hello, BB. Yes, okay. Another one. What is 79 times 11? 79 times 11. So, you buka 7 and 9. Kaso, 7 plus 9 will give you 16. So, ang gagawin sa 1 ay i-carry dito. Magiging 869. Okay? 869. Yes, amazing. You carry the 1 on the hundreds place. That's all the techniques I know for now. But, I'll try to think of others. I mean, there are a lot more. Like, ngayon ko lang naalala yung... I have a technique then for 5. Like, multiplying things by 5. Okay. For multiplying things by 5, guys, I'll teach you. These are just random tricks since we're ending the live soon. Multiplying a random thing by 5. Kunyari, 42 times 5. Paano siya yung multiply? Ang gagawin ko, i-divide ko to by 2. What's 42 divided by 2? 42 divided by 2 is 21. And then just add the 0 on the end. 42 times 5 is 210. Yes, you just add the 0. It's, kasi, same lang siya as divide by 2 times 10. Which is just equal to times 5, diba? Same lang yan sa times 5. Do you have another one? Like, for example, if odd number naman, let's see, 51. 51 times 5, that's 25.5, diba? So, that's equal to 255. So, iusog mo lang yung decimal place. If hindi ka mag-add ng 0. Same lang yan as moving the decimal place. Do we get? Kalaban nyo talaga is oras. Yes. Thank you, Oden, for the rose bear. Wow, I've never gotten that in my entire life. You guys don't have to give gifts, by the way, because we're here, because I think UP has to be accessible. But yes, thank you so much for your gift. All I want is you guys to follow. Sabihin mga amazing, amazing. Yes. Thank you, MB Shop and Karyang. All that matters, guys, is that you are learning and you can get into UP for free. Yes. Di nagko-cooperate utak ko. That's all I know for now. When I multiply by 5, you divide and then you times 10. Paano po pag 17 times 5? 17 times 5 daw. 85 agad, like, from the brain. 17 times 5, this is divide by 2, that's 8.5. Paano ko nalaman na, what the frick? Guys, did you video that? Why did you tell me? You should warn me before you do something like that. That's crazy. Thank you so much. Don't do it again without telling me. We care about consent here. Consent before... You screenshot it? Thank you, Nico. Send it to me, please. What the frick? We got a rich person over here. Isa pa, Oden. Wait lang. Wag na. Okay lang, kahit wag na. Hindi, okay lang. Hindi, okay lang. Wag na. Try. Okay, wait. 17 times 5 is 8.5. How do we know it's 8.5? Thank you. Wait, how do I know it's 8.5? Kasi 16 is the closest number. And then when 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, right? And then you just add 0.5 because it's one number up. So 8.5, and then you move the decimal place, so that's equal to 85. You always just move the decimal place by 1. So, ganun siya. Paano malaman if saan pa ipapwesto yung mga number? Sa A, B. Okay, so dito, given kasi si 48 and 74. Yung biggest number daw dito, smallest number is 48, biggest number is 74. Sahod ko na daw yun. Thank you, Oden, so much for the... What the frick? You didn't say anything! You have to... Guys, you should be recording right now. We're wasting it. Oh my god, I wasn't... I am recording! I'm recording on live. That's so crazy! Thank you so much, Oden. Thank you so much. I'm gonna cry. Guys, the reason why we're here is because the people who watch me are usually the people who can't afford review centers. So I guess it's amazing to see a rich person here, you know what I'm saying? Usually we go live because we want people to be able to get the info from a review center without having to pay for the big amount of a review center. So thank you so much for supporting our cause, Oden. We will continue doing our lives every day. Hala, umiyak. Thank you, Oden. It's okay if you stop. Bukas ulit. Char! Not a rich person. You're probably rich, but you can't just give away money like that. Okay, are we done, guys? Are we done? Tapos na tayo. Analytic geom tomorrow. You know what we called analytic geom when we were in grade 10? Grade 10 was analytic geom. We called it anal geom. Anal geom was what it was called. Like, the shortcut was anal. Anal geom. So, that's what we're doing tomorrow. We're gonna go back. Kung gusto niyo sagutan, if hindi niyo alam, we're gonna start from this one. Test A. So, we're gonna learn about lines, the ano tawag dito guys? Cartesian plane, and points, and equation of the line. So, this is a new lesson for us today. Ay, tomorrow. Equation of the line ang gagawin natin. What time po bukas magla-live? Usually same time guys, 8 p.m. Thank you, Oden, for the gift so much. I'm gonna cry when I leave the live because I can't cry in front of a lot of people. Yes, we love that topic. You love anal geom? Analytic geom. Okay, we're gonna continue this tomorrow. If gusto nyo, start na kayo mag-review for origin of x-axis, y-axis, quadrant. And then, if you want this reviewer, nandito naman guys yung lesson. So, ito, in-explain niya dito yung parabola, conics. This is actually pre-cal na. Ito yung analytic geom, okay? So, it starts here. We have quadrant 1, quadrant 2. I'm gonna teach this from scratch tomorrow, okay? We're gonna teach this from scratch. 8th grade topic. We learned this in, yes, grade 8. Tapos may halong grade 10, okay? Yes, I'll post it on YouTube agad, okay? Post ko agad on YouTube. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure to follow. Yes. Other than that, we'll be back tomorrow at 8 p.m. Ikaw mag-save sa akin. Yes, walang kwenta prof namin. Nor, it's okay guys. Yes. The review is free. The PDF is also free guys. We're here to spread free education. So, check out my Instagram. What the frick? What the frick? That's crazy, guys. What? That was so expensive. What the frick? Whoa. Do you want a refund, sir? What's he doing? Bro, do you have your mom's account or something? Nah, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much, Oden, for sharing with us your hard-earned money. That's so crazy. Did he just pass by the live and randomly patron saint a free review? Yes. Oden is paying for the tuition of this review center, apparently. Welcome. Thank you, Oden, for paying for this review session. Tomorrow, bukas ulit. Char. Bukas, we're gonna go back. Walang sponsors, yes. Wala tayong sponsors, so si Oden na lang. Yes, thank you so much, Oden. May pangkain na kami. naging feeding program. Yes, feeding program for the brain. Thank you, Jane, for the heart. We're doing analytic geom tomorrow, guys. So, yes, if you're gonna... Where'd you get this ebook? Guys, it's for free. It's on my Instagram. Everything is for free. PDFs. There are so many PDF reviewers there. If you don't want this one, you can also find... There is science. There's science over here. There's also chem. There's also this ultimate UPCAT prep. So, there's super many reviewers. I think 100 plus ang meron dyan. So, just check it out. And, yes, just make sure to follow. And join the Instagram channel for updates, okay? Out of topic, have you seen my drawing? Not yet, Han. Did you tag me on Instagram? You guys can... I try to look at all the messages, but you can message me on Instagram if you have questions, okay? So, check out all these reviewers. And, yeah. Do we have any more questions before we go? Before we leave at 10 or 9:58? What course did you pass in UP? Industrial engineering was my first choice. So, that was the course I passed. I can show you guys. Industrial engineering was the course. Hala, hindi ko siya mahanap. Oh, here, I got it. Okay. So, I'll show you guys my course choices. By the way, if you're like me, well, I was a type kasi na I didn't know what I wanted to be. So, industrial engineering is a course na very, very flexible. You can pick it if you don't know what to do with your life. So, ayun, MS Edge. Let's put it up here. Did it work? Here, guys. So, this was my application for freshman. Crop. And then, Yes. How do I do this? How do I zoom in my... Oh no! Okay. Contains unoriginal... Okay. The live has been flagged because I showed this for some reason. But I'll just show you guys and you can leave soon. So just make sure to share the live. Thank you again, Oden, for giving the gifts. You can come back tomorrow to just watch the live. Here were my choices, guys. UPD and then UPLB for second choice. Huwag nyo ipagsama yung UPD and UPM, okay? UP Manila and UP Diliman shouldn't be your first two choices. And then, okay, yes. So these were my choices, industrial engineering and then other less popular engineering courses. So geodetic pwede yung second choice kasi hindi siya ganun ka-popular. And then you can ask me, I mean, pag open na ulit yung Form 2 ba yun, Nico? After the UPCAT, we can arrange your course choices again. Okay? So, doon na natin siya i-arrange pagtapos ng UPCAT. Pero for now, yes. Unahin nyo UPM then UPD, sabi ni Nico. But usually, it's better not to put it together. But what if NCR nakatira so other campuses are out of reach? Okay lang naman if ipagsama mo. But the thing about that is you just have less chances of getting in UP in general. So, what some people do is they put UP Diliman and UPLB, ganun. Tapos, after UPLB, mag-transfer ka na lang sa UPM. But, you will get delayed for another year. Drawing sa Instagram, I'll check it, Han. I'll check it on Instagram, okay? My phone, I need to find my phone lang. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. We're gonna go. Thank you, Oden. Thank you, Nico, for coming. Were you busy today, Nico? Everybody was looking for you, like literally. You're like a celebrity. Oh, you did UP Diliman and LB. What did Nico say? Nico, pin your comment. I lost it. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Oden, for the gifts. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna end at 9:58 kasi it's a pretty number. Paano po UPD lang? You should put a second choice kahit wala kayong second choice, okay? It's better to put a second choice just in case you want to get in. See you tomorrow, Luxy. Luxy, aren't you in college? Why do I keep forgetting? Aren't you in like pharmacy? Ako ang second choice. Hala ka, Nico. I knew that was coming up. First choice, usually UPD or UP Diliman or UP Manila. My attachment issues, me also. 9:58 na, guys. Bye, somebody. What site? This is the form. Yung form ko. Makikita nyo lang yan after the UPCAT, guys. Or pag nandyan na yung summary ng form 1 nyo. Bye, Swan. Bye, Nico. Bye, Oden. Thanks for the gifts. Bye, Mikey. UPLB has to be second to UPD. Don't put UPD if you're gonna put UPLB first. Bye, Sai. Bye, Cole. I'll let you guys know more about that after the UPCAT, okay? Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. I'll upload it right away on YouTube. Okay, bye. Bye, Isa Lenore. Bye, Rutherfordium.